Are you interested in learning programming in a fun way? Or do you want your kids to pick it up at a very early age, such as 7? Then you have come to the right place. In this course, I will get you introduced with Scratch programming language, which was developed by MIT specifically for kids. Scratch has a very intuitive interface where you code with Lego-like blocks and it all seems like fun. I start by showing you how you can join Scratch. After that, we go through different elements of Scratch interface. Then you go through different code blocks and create your very first Scratch project. Then I teach you the concept of two-dimensional Cartesian plane with the help of examples so that you can master the movements on the Scratch screen. After giving you a thorough walkthrough of motion blocks, you are given some programming challenges which help you to think logically. That is, to think like a programmer. After that, you are introduced with event-driven programming. At this point, you will be well equipped to get your hands dirty with some interesting animations. The first animation is of a flying parrot, which flies from one end to the other and turns when it reaches the edge. The next animation is of a roaming cat, which jumps, moves, walks, and turns. These animations help you to master the on-screen movements. Then we look into the looks and sound blocks and master these blocks by creating another interesting animation. After this point, we go into advanced concepts and look into control blocks, sensing blocks, and operator blocks. You will create your first game, a Pong game, where the player moves the pedal and prevents the ball from hitting the ground. You will be adding multi-levels and the ability to display score in your game. You will create another game, which is a jumping game, where the character jumps over the obstacles and scores on every successful jump. After the game development, you will be creating a simple arithmetic calculator which teaches you some important programming concepts, plus the ability to design and handle the user interface elements. The final project is a challenging Tic Tac Toe, which is a game which teaches you logic building and important programming related items, constructs, and concepts such as if-else blocks, loops, messaging, and much more. After completing this course, not only that you would be able to do wonderful things in Scratch, but you would also be able to make a natural progression towards learning advanced level languages such as Java, C#, or Python. I wish you all have great time and fun learning Scratch.